a latest development in Maharashtra's irrigation scam. IAC activist Anjali Damania has alleged that she is being pressured by the NCP to drop the case. Damania has released a tape of her conversation with NCP MLA Suresh Lad. In the conversation, the NCP MLA is allegedly asking Anjali Damania to stop her campaign, and in return, her land won't be taken to build a dam. However, Headlines Today cannot independently verify the authenticity of these tapes that have been released by Anjali Damania herself. Under fire, the NCP MLA has hit back and denied the charges by Damania against him. The NCP legislator has accused Anjali Damania of trying to frame him in this case.
He came to my house about a month back before the resignation of Mr. Ajit Pawar, because he knows that I have been fighting the irrigation PIL for quite some time, and he wanted me to back out of it. So, which is when, there was a question which I asked him, but you've served me a notice and you've taken away my land on paper. So he says, ma'am, that is just a way. You made a move, we made a move. You take back your move and we'll take back our move, which will clearly tell you guys that this is how they pressurize people who fight against corruption.
अपने तालुका का जब भी काम रहता है तो मैंने एक भाई के नाते, एक बहन के नाते उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया, ऐसे प्रेशराइज करने से कैसा होगा। मैंने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया कि आप इसके पीछे जो पड़ गई वो करप्शन का है, कोई गलत है, उसे आप जरूर कुछ कीजिए, मगर जो ये प्रोजेक्ट है डैम ये होना चाहिए, ये बात मैंने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया है।
Anjali Damania is with us on the phone line for the latest on this. We're also joined by our Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi. Anjali, I'd like to come to you first. Very serious allegations, Anjali, that you've put out here against NCP MLA Suresh Lad. You've supported that even with an audio taped conversation. What further action are you likely to take or planning to take now?
See, for me, I'm fighting this irrigation scam absolutely without a pause for the last 1.5 years. Each time I was approached by a lot of NCP volunteers locally from Kalrat asking me to give in.
Yeah.
They tried to kind of give me warnings. They tried to influence the Tehsildar to serve me a notice on a land purchase which I had done about 18 years back. Not just that, they tried to coax the farmers, the local farmers, to make some very, very damaging statements which were absolutely baseless. And somewhere from within I felt that, this definitely needs to be shown to the public. If there is a person who is standing up and fighting against corruption, this is the kind of treatment that a whistleblower is given.
Okay.
So I had no choice but to release this tape, and this is just the first of the tapes that I have released. I have enough of data up my sleeve.
Okay.
And if they do not give in to these kind of dirty tricks, I will release the rest of them.
Okay. Hang on with us, Anjali. The person you've accused of putting pressure on you, Suresh Lad, MLA with the NCP, is also on the phone line with us. I want you to hear what his response is. We're going to put that question to him. Suresh Lad, अंजलि का ये कहना है कि इस टेप के बाद बहुत सारे टेप्स हैं और वो सारे रिलीज होंगे अब. आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे सुरेश लाड?
क्या वापस एक बार कहिए.
अंजलि दमानिया बोल रहे हैं कि उनके पास और भी टेप्ड कॉन्वर्सेशंस हैं आपके साथ और वो रिलीज होंगे अब. तो आपका रिस्पॉन्स क्या है?
ये डैम हमारे यहाँ हो रहा है और उसमें उनका जमीन जाता है करके उन्होंने कुछ ऑफिस में पेपर्स दिए थे, उसके बारे में उन्होंने मेरे से मुझे बात की थी. उसके बाद उन्होंने पीएल दाखिल करने के बाद उनसे हमारी बात हो गई थी. हमारे लिए ये डैम होना चाहिए. उसमें जो कोई इलीगली होगा, कोई अनैतिक होगा तो उसके लिए आप लड़ो, मगर ये डैम के खिलाफ आप मत जाइए. ऐसा मैं उनको बार बार कहता था. वो पहले शुरू में मेरे घर आई थी अंजलि.
शुरू में मैंने कब
उनके घर गया था, समझ नहीं. कई बार हमने बात की है.
सुरेश लाड, अंजलि दमानिया भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे हैं. अंजलि, would you like to put any direct question to Suresh Lad? He says that you're talking complete nonsense. What do you want to say to him?
No, I'm hearing the entire conversation. So there are some questions which I would definitely want to shoot at him. Can I have a
Please go ahead.
सुरेश लाड, मी अंजली बोलतेय. मला एक सांगा, तुमच्या पार्टीच्या अनेक कार्यकर्त्यांकडनं मला किती वेळा अप्रोच केलं गेलं की मी माझी जमीन तुम्ही मला भाव द्यायला तयार आहात आणि मी ती द्यावी अशी विनंती मला किती लोकांनी केली आणि किती वेळा केली.
Anjali, request you to just repeat your question in either Hindi or English. Hindi if you can.
Okay. लाड जी, आपने मुझे आपके लोगों ने मुझे कितने बार अप्रोच किया था बोलने के लिए कि हमने अपनी जमीन जो जा रही थी, क्या आपको ये पता नहीं था कि मैंने आपके लोगों को बार बार कहा था कि अगर मेरी जमीन जा रही है तो शौक से जाए, मुझे उसमें तकलीफ नहीं है. क्या आप ओपनली ये एक्सेप्ट करते हैं या नहीं कि मैंने आपके बार बार जवाब दिए थे कि मुझे मेरी जमीन जाने में कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, अगर मैं फाइट कर रही हूँ तो किसी कारण से कर रही हूँ. ये आपको मैंने कहा था, हाँ या ना. दूसरा सवाल, क्या आपके लोगों ने आकर मुझे पैसे ऑफर नहीं किए थे? ये आप सीधा हाँ या ना में जवाब दें और आपका जो भी जवाब आएगा उसके ऊपर हमें आगे की कैसेट रिलीज कर दी.
सुरेश लाड, आपका रिस्पॉन्स?
ये हाँ ना में बोलेंगे. हम उनके साथ फोन पे और मिलके बहुत सारे बात के ऐसे ही बोलेंगे. हाँ, ये अंजलि जी कि हाँ में और ना में जवाब दीजिए, तो ऐसा जवाब नहीं दे सकते. उनका ये डैम को विरोध था करके हम उनसे मिल रहे थे. उनको फोन किया था, मैंने उनको फोन किया है, उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया है. हम कई बार
फोन कभी किया था,
उन्होंने जरूर बोला था
शुरू होने के बाद
डैम के लिए मेरी जगह
एक साल के बीच आपको फोन किया था.
Okay. Anjali Damania has put her questions here on Headlines Today to Suresh Lad. Suresh Lad says conversations have happened, but this is not what it seems. We don't vouch for the authenticity of anything here. We're just journalists. We're a news organization. But we will play out for you the tape that Anjali Damania has released to the press. You can decide for yourself. After that, we'll get quick reactions. Let's play out for our viewers the tape that Anjali Damania has put out of a conversation of hers with NCP MLA Suresh Lad.
I was very upset.
All right, Anjali Damania, you say that you've got many more conversations with you which you might release if no action is taken now. Can you tell us if there's been any other kind of pressure apart from, verbal pressure from NCP leaders? Has there been any other kind of pressure?
Yeah, see, what had happened was they systematically increased their pressure. The number of calls coming in went up. The number of people coming to meet me went up. And if that didn't work, when I filed my PL, in 2 days, the Tehsildar served me a notice, which was absolutely, first of all, it did not say that I was illegally a farmer. They twisted and turned words in Marathi to ensure that they bring me under a absolutely baseless kind of a complaint, and they ensured that they took away my land on paper.
Okay.
Within 2 days, the Tehsildar Karjat took away all my land on the paper. And not just this, he himself traveled a distance of 200 kilometers. Have you ever heard a Tehsildar traveling 200 kilometers to look for somebody's papers in Maharashtra? Has anybody ever heard this?
Okay,
But this has happened to me because I was working on this scam.
Very serious allegations there, Anjali Damania, you're putting out. We've put them out. We'll let our viewers decide. Thanks, Suresh Lad and Anjali Damania, for joining us and having a conversation, at least here on Headlines Today, about it. No agreement reached at all. Anjali Damania making those serious allegations against a sitting NCP MLA.